When I look at what we've been able to accomplish over the years as we've worked together on this project, the spray foam systems and the ICP partnership has just been a really exciting part of our business. Some of the benefits that we've found as we've developed and pushed Nitrosys into the market is that we've created a safer and simpler system for contractors and business owners and applicators and building owners. Some of those benefits include a system that can actually utilize the plastic disposable handy gun too.
You guys have done the engineering at Spray Foam Systems to quantify that what you're doing is low pressure, that the pressure in the gun, the foam comes out with a static mixer, but the pressure inside the gun is under 250 psi. In fact, literally half of that. Because we're at lower pressures, generally lower temperatures, the PP&E requirements, the reoccupancy times, the re-entry times are lower than with high pressure. The foam, Handi Foam, that we sell in conjunction with Nitrosys equipment is tested together on actual job sites.
So with the new Nitrosys HVLP system, we're now able to reach up to 310 feet of hose. We have larger heaters to handle better delta T's. We've also got a larger mixing device, the auto calibrator device, to allow higher output. Some of the largest upgrades on this system for the Nitrosys HVLP are the fact that the system can now process up to 30 pounds per minute of material outputs. I'm excited to be working with Tom and ICP to continue to bring innovation to the HVLP marketplace.
And we hope you're as excited as we are about this new technology.